Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Marrekus coming to you guys from Cooks with Soul. So today we're going to be putting together a traditional Southern Thanksgiving feast. Myself and my wife, we're a team of food bloggers and food photographers, and today we're going to be preparing a Cajun Smoked Turkey, candied yam, Southern style cabbage, and a German chocolate cake with baked macaroni and cheese. All right, so what you want to do is, in order to spatchcock the turkeys, you want to find the seam that goes along the backbone, take some nice kitchen shears, and just start cutting down the backbone. And if you follow along the backbone, you'll get the perfect cut so that you can fold it out and flatten the turkey out. So now that we have the turkey split in half, we're going to go ahead and finish removing this backbone. So just take your kitchen shears and just go down the opposite side of the backbone. And don't throw this backbone away. You can actually use it for stock and other things like that. So just go take, like I said, take your kitchen shears and just keep following that backbone down until you get it completely taken off. The backbone has been removed, so now we're gonna flip the turkey over, and that way we can go ahead and flatten it out. So you wanna take the legs and thighs, straighten those out like that, your wings, and press here down in the middle until it flattens completely out. So that way, now your turkey is completely spatchcocked, and when you cook it, it'll cook evenly because all of the portions of the turkey are sitting at the same height. All right, so we got the turkey all spatchcocked out, got it patted dry, so now we're gonna get to the injection phase. So I made some homemade Cajun butter injection. We'll have the recipe put in together with this one. So basically what you wanna do is you wanna take your injector, give your Cajun butter a good stir, put the injector in there, and you wanna fill up your injection tube. So what I like to do first is I like to start in the breast. So what you wanna do is you wanna get in there and kind of make a pocket. Give it 1 or 2 pumps. Don't worry about the injection coming out, because when it's had too much, the turkey will tell you because it'll start coming back out. So give it a couple pumps, and what you want to do is you kind of want to do it in a grit pattern so that all of the entire breast will take in the injection, and you'll have the Cajun butter injected all the way through. When it's cooking, that injection is going to basically soak through the meat, and it's going to flavor it from the inside out. All right, so we're back, guys, and we're finished with this cook. Man, the house smells amazing right now. The turkey's done, as you guys can see. It's perfectly cooked, even all over. It's gonna be super juicy. The skin is crisped up really nice, has that nice deep golden brown color that we were looking for. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and happy Thanksgiving.